Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a role play. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of empathy and understanding. It got the following characteristics. Roleplay is a tool that is used to empathize with users or a particular problem. It can also be used in the prototyping phase in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. It aims to understand firsthand the user experience in a given situation or generate a hypothetical situation to evaluate a service or a product prototype. The key to develop a role play correctly is to recreate the situation and scenario reliable and interpret in the best way possible. Okay, so when we are going to develop a role play, it's very important to understand what do we want to achieve. So the majority of the cases is when I want to empathize, so I don't understand why a person or a group of people behave the way they are. So I need to set up the scenario and what are the things that I need. How long is it going to take? If I need actors, if I'm gonna do it myself, if I need someone else to help me. I need to have the logistic. What does that mean? It means that in many times I need to make costumes, I need to make a script. So in this script, I will know what are the things that I need to develop my role play. After I have that, I have to perform, I have to deliver, I have to make the scene. It's very important to know what do I want to know. And it's very important as well to develop empathy with the main character. So for example, if I'm talking to a user and I want to make a role play about a day a day in the life of this user, so what I do is that I recreate all the activities that they do in the places that he does. So that thing could take a day, even weeks, but sometimes I can make something shorter. The important thing here is that I test. Test what? What was my experience? The idea here is that I improve and increase my understanding of why people behave the way they do. So if I understand that, I can create something. This tool it can also be used in the stage of prototyping. When? When I have my product or my service developed. So when I have that, I need to interact, I need to recreate how is the interaction. I need to analyze and finally have a clear result of what's going on. If I understand that, I will create and improve the things that I'm doing. This tool of roleplay can be used as many times as is necessary, as long as I can create focusing of what I'm developing. So that's very important. So here basically what I'm doing is performing about a situation, trying to increase my understanding and find out why people behave the way they do. Remember that design thinking and any other agile methodology is always user-centered design. It means that any develop is focused on the understanding and the behavior of the user. That's why I'm designing. So roleplay is extremely important because it will allow you to understand and have a better understanding. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of developing the roleplay tool, you will have a clear idea of the situation, user experience, and interaction with the different actors of the problematic that you are working on. It is very important to interpret the situation as real as it can be recreated. The success of this tool depends on the degree of a rapport and reality that it is being achieved with the different actors involved in the situation. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in all your development. Please follow us on social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Design Thinking 24/7. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you to all of you. We are the number one design thinking and innovation channel in the whole YouTube universe. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.